Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota Rav4 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the right and left front windshield wiper blades. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. These are Denso wiper blades. This one is part number 160-1124. And the other side is 160-1119. So I'm going to be replacing the driver's side front wiper blade. So we're going to be pulling it upwards, putting this towel over. That's in case when I take this blade off, just in case you don't want this arm to hit the glass and crack the glass. So I'm going to be pushing this little lever down and then pulling it downwards, sliding it down to pull it out. So with my new blade, I'll stick it back in here and just slip it in. So now we're going to be changing the passenger side, and make sure you put like a towel on it. You don't want this arm flying down and hitting your glass and cracking your glass. So there's a little clip over here. You just push it in and then push this blade downwards to slide it out. So put the new one in and just slide it in. So that's how you replace wiper blades. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.